Pinag-sample.
Required kasi noon.
Ito. Ang required ngayon, may ibang requirement kami
Okay,
dito.
okay.
Ang ibang requirement namin dito is meron kaming pa rapid fire
Okay.
na worth it ba? Para kami ditong si Tito Boy
Oo.
Abunda. So, ang sasagot mo lang ay worth it or hindi na uulitin.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Dun, dun,
Ready.
dun, dun.
Are you ready?
Let's go!
Okay. Rocco Ruiz, worth it ba gawing career ang pagiging creative kahit hindi stable sa umpisa?
Worth it. Worth it.
Worth it bang i-share ang parts ng personality mo online para makakonect sa audience?
Worth it.
Okay.
Worth it bang magpahinga kahit alam mong mawawala ka muna sa radar ng tao?
Super worth it.
Ay, in fairness, ano naman siya doon? Worth it ba mag-turn down ng projects kapag pakiramdam mong ubus ka na?
Worth it.
Worth it bang mag-experiment ng bagong style kahit may risk na hindi siya mag-work?
Worth it.
Worth it ba kumita mula sa bagay na personal sa'yo?
Hindi na ulitin. Depends. Depends.
Ooh, babalikan natin yung number 6 na
Okay.
yan. Worth it bang i-protect ang private life mo kahit mas engaging?
Ooh.
Sana kung mas open ka.
Worth it. Worth it. Worth it.
Worth it ba gawing trabaho ang pagiging funny, witty, or creative?
Worth it. Yeah.
Yay!
Worth it bang piliting gumawa kahit hindi ka na-inspired?
Worth it naman.
Worth
it naman.
Kasi gusto niya talaga
Oo,
nagagawa.
nag-enjoy siya. Worth
Bigay
it
natin sa kanya yun.
Worth it ba sumabay sa trends para lang manatiling relevant?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi na worth it.
Worth it bang maghintay ng tamang idea instead of posting just to stay visible?
Mixed area yun. Worth it na lang. Worth it.
Okay.
Medyo mixed yun.
And worth it ba i-choose ang peace over pressure kahit mas tahimik ang growth?
Yeah, worth it. Peace all the time.
Ooh. And after everything,
Mhm.
ang golden millionaire question namin ay,
Yes. Worth it ba? Ito lahat. Worth it ba yung pressure to stay interesting? Worth it ba lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo to where you are now?
Yeah, super worth it.
yes!
Super worth it.
Palakpakan naman natin si Rako. May studio audience tayo dito eh. Pero balikan natin yung yung iba yung sagot niya.
Personal. Yung personal.
Oo. Worth it bang kumita mula sa bagay na personal sa'yo?
Sa akin parang kung gusto mo lang talaga i-share.
Mhm.
Pero wag yung para lang magka-views. Like for example, this is something I encounter all the time. Couple
Mhm.
content.
Oh.
Like,
Mhm.
I like couple content basta genuine siya. At di nila ginagawa para lang magka-views.
For the views.
For the views.
Mhm.
Like, for
There
example,
is a lot of that.
yeah,
Yeah.
some couples, they really just like making content together. And that's okay. But like, I have seen some couples actually not work out because one person wants to exploit their relationship for views. The other one wants to be private. And parang ganun. I'd rather like, if it's private and not everyone really wants to post about it, wag na lang. Like, it has to be like, lahat ng tao sa video, gusto talaga.
Right.
Or like, for example, yung mga, medyo, I feel it invades personal space when people are vlogging something that is a little too intimate. Like, for example, barkada trip and introverted lahat ng tao doon. And may
Tapos
isang
may
magbablog.
Okay.
Parang nawawala yung pagka-special niya.
That is so
Yeah.
true.
I agree.
Pero ikaw, personally, ano yung meron ka bang non-negotiables? Na like, kunwari, kung itanong ng brand, na like, can you post something na i-share mo yung ganito mo? Tapos ikaw parang, ay, non-negotiable ko tong part na to ng buhay ko. I will never share it.
Oh.
May ganun ka ba? Or wala naman?
Ayoko maghubad para sa brand. Ayoko maghubad para sa brand.
Specific.
Sasayaw siya pero hindi siya
So,
mag-uwa.
sorry Century Tuna, but like, not that aspect.
So, hindi siya makakapag, century 2 na
Yeah.
buds. Yun yung yung
Or
sinasabi
depende,
niya.
tignan natin. Nothing's set in stone. That, and I don't want to like involve other people in it. Like, ako lang.
Ooh.
Like, for example, sasabihin ng brand, maganda kung nanay mo kasama mo dito. Pero parang, it's kind of like I'm selling my mom's wanting to be in the video. Unless super game yung nanay ko.
Yeah.
Or
Sabihin
siya
ng
yung
nanay,
magsabing, uy, ilagay mo ko dyan.
include mo ko dyan. Pero parang kung ako pipilitin ko yung isang tao na ayaw maging kasali sa video, yun, ayaw ko gawin yan.
Okay.
Unless they want to, then
Unless
I'd love
they
it.
want to
Yeah, that's-
game.
We
pa
love a
rin.
respectful king.
Yeah.
When I think about a lot of people have been using the buzzword also of performative.
Performative, yeah.
How do you feel about that? And are there allegations? Would you like to beat the
Oh.
allegation?
Oh my God, all the time.
People would call you that, right?
Like, ito yung sasabihin ko sa mga, like for example, before it was a thing, people thought I was like a fake Swiftie. Like fake Taylor Swift
my
fan.
gosh, okay.
Dahil gusto ko si Taylor Swift, para lang magkababae daw. Like, they're saying like, that's why you like Taylor Swift.
Ah.
Oh my God.
Pero like, to beat the allegations of that, alam nyo ba, lahat ng naging girlfriend ko ayaw kay Taylor Swift.
Ikaw
It's
yung...
me. I just really wanted it just for myself. So like I think if it's genuine to what you really like, it's not performative.
Mhm.
Like for example, mahilig ka talaga sa libro. Like talagang mahilig ka sa libro. At pinapost mong you're reading a book online and you post it on Instagram, it's not performative. It's
Mhm.
true eh. Ganun ka talaga. Versus, nag-post ka ng book selfie, reading a book, tapos never mo
Dahil lang
binasa.
artsy.
That's
Dahil lang
performative.
artsy.
I think
Mm-mm.
that's the performative where it's fake.
Right.
I think they're using the wrong word kasi on social media, everything's performative.
That is true.
Lahat naman ang pinapost
We are all
natin.
performing.
Eh, hindi
Mhm.
naman siya parang stolen shot lahat, di ba? I think everything on social media is performative, but I think it's a difference between like fake and authentic. Pero lahat naman performative. I think the bad one is fake.
Right.
Mhm.
Like, you know the buzzword now is like performative male.
Oo, exactly.
It's like males who like write in journals, like matcha, ganun. Sa akin naman, okay lang naman kung ganun ka eh.
If you like it naman
kung ganun
eh.
talaga,
ba't
pero
ka ba
wag ka mag-fake.
pinipigilan?
Wag ka mag-fake.
Mm-mm.
But like, don't fake like matcha. Don't fake write in your journal just because like
True.
girls like it. Diba?
Oo.
Baka
It's
mamaya
just to get
order
the
ka ng
girls.
matcha tapos pag inom mo, ayaw mong ubusin.
Oo nga.
Mga
Diba?
ganun sa
Yeah.
dulo, no?
Sayang ka pa ng pera dahil lang sa social media.
I think that's the
Mm.
crime. It's not being performative, but fake performative is the bad thing.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
That it's that distinction that you have there.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So, being true to who you are, even if it's so closely knit to the content that you create,
Mhm.
no? Parang, how then, ano na yung mga side quests mo?
Side
Ooh.
Kasi
quest.
now that your side quests kind of became your main quest, what are the things now that you get to do, or are you exploring other things that is still you, but like a little different from what you do all the time?
Parang wala nang time
May
mag-side
ganun ba ba?
quest eh.
Wala
Like, I think
siya time ngayon.
Parang dun siya nalungkot. Wala
Oo.
nga
Wala
akong
nang time mag-side quest.
eh.
I guess,
Okay.
kasi lahat ng gusto ko gawin, I find a way to like, can I earn from this? Ganon.
Okay.
Parang like, so I think my pinaka side quest is right now, parang wala masyado. Kasi lahat
Okay.
ng ginagawa ko in a day,
At
it's all related to like, it's art, it's my career also, and content. So I don't know if it's a mistake that I did this, but I made all my side quests like my thing already.
Yeah.
So I don't have time for other side quests anymore.
That is a dream for many, honestly.
Yeah.
To be able to
Ano
get
na
to
siya
do
sa edad
that.
na ayaw niya nang magdagdag ng side
Hindi na
quest.
muna.
Oh my gosh,
Hindi
di
na
na
muna
kaya.
ngayon.
Di na kasya sa
Oo.
schedule.
So, ibig sabihin, ganun na karami yung ginagawa ni Rako.
If this episode made you reflect on your own life decisions, then maybe it's time to ask yourself the same question. Yung mga choices mo, career moves, love life, big risks, or even those random impulsive decisions, worth it ba talaga? If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to search and follow Worth It Ba on YouTube for the full episode. And if you have your own Worth It Ba moment, share it with us in the comments. Because at the end of the day, every choice comes with a story.